On November 3rd, Dickinson ISD voters will have the opportunity to vote on a $94.2 million school bond that will address priorities related to complying with the implementation of full-day pre-K classes required by the state, student enrollment growth, security improvements, and facility upgrades. But what is a school bond, and how will it affect me and my taxes? A school bond is a way that school districts borrow money to finance items such as new schools, renovations, additional projects, and technology upgrades. School bonds are a lot like home mortgages and are repaid over a set amount of time. However, for a school district to sell bonds, it is required by law to ask voters for approval through an election. School bond funds can only be used for the projects described. By law, money from the school bond cannot and will not be used to fund daily operating expenses such as salaries, classroom supplies, or district expenses. The Dickinson ISD bond package will not raise the district's tax rate for voters. The no tax rate increase is due to increased residential development, local property value growth, low interest rates, and the district's management of long-term debt. The additional residential development, particularly east of I-45 and south of Hughes Road, will bring more tax dollars into the district. These additional tax dollars will then go towards paying off the bond debts without adding any additional financial burden on current taxpayers. Taxpayers will see a decrease in the 2020 tax rate down from $1.45 to $1.344, regardless if the bond is approved or not. Similar to a homeowner refinancing their home mortgage when interest rates decline, Dickinson ISD has used the same conservative debt management strategies in refinancing and paying the debt off early at every opportunity. Over the past 10 years, Dickinson ISD has demonstrated financial responsibility by saving taxpayers more than $25 million in interest payments. For more information about the 2020 Dickinson ISD bond and all the projects it will include, please visit our website today at www.dickinsonisd.org/bond.